Installation varies depending on the type of first flush water diverter used. You need to create the size of chamber based on the volume of water you need to divert. The chamber then fills and the ball floats to the top, sealing off the chamber and diverting the rainwater to the tank for collection. Ensure the outlet of the diverter is clear of any debris. If the outlet is blocked, the chamber will not empty and the first flush of water will not be diverted when it rains. Periodically unscrew the end cap of the water diverter to allow debris to fall out. Hose or wash the filter screen if required and clean the flow control valve.